Alright, we are at the Bally's in Blackhawk, Colorado. Looks like we'll probably get this one. Any day now. Oh wow, it's glass. Oh, interesting. It shows level 1. Well, we'll watch the view first. There's the river down there. There's the Ameristar Casino, big building. I wonder what this used to be. It's got an Adams mod. And look, there is a creek right there, or a river of some sort. Pretty quick river too. Alright, we're gonna go up to 3. We'll watch the indicator. Watch once more out the window. This is a pretty view. I like it. Probably would be nice during the day as well. For fun's sake. Anyway, here's a casino floor. And, oh, someone called it. And that's it.